Meal prep chicken kofta curry with me because you don't have to give up cultural foods to get fit. This is a really tasty, high-protein recipe that's great to make for the week ahead. We're gonna start by making our meatballs by grinding up onions, cilantro, ginger, garlic with the chicken and then forming it into balls. And then we're gonna make our curry. So we're just gonna saute some onion and oil with tomato and then this Shan kofta mix. And add a little bit of water to make it a thick paste. I like to blend mine up to make it really, really smooth and creamy, but that's optional. Add a little bit of yogurt, and then I add a little bit of ghee just for that flavor. You don't need that much, just a little bit for some flavor. And then we're just gonna let this simmer and cook until the kofta is ready. Let me know if you try this. It's one of my favorites. And for more healthy desi recipes, check out my ebook, The Fit Desi Food Guide.